Okay, so you're about to get the tour of the treehouse. Dun dun dun. So cool. What?
Did you get that? I high-fived it.
Oh yeah, Julia, you're really cool. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Pretty steep. We should have like...
What?
Oh, I keep filming your butt.
Oh, that's lovely.
You need a break already?
No, I'm taking a picture.
Wow.
Give me some credit, Jamie. Not that out of shape.
This is so cool.